In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed the scheduling widget on a page in HubSpot. We'll start by getting into your HubSpot account. Open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and log into your account so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the Sales section. That's where the Meetings tools live. Open the Meetings scheduler from there. This area lists your meeting links, which control availability, form questions, and confirmation settings. Find the specific meeting you want to place on your website. Hover over it to reveal more options, then open the Actions menu. From that menu, choose Embed. HubSpot will generate an embed code. This is a small HTML snippet that renders your scheduling widget directly on a page. Click Copy Code to place it on your clipboard. A quick tip: make sure you've selected the correct meeting, especially if you manage multiple links for different teams or time zones. Now let's add this to your website page. Open the page where you want the scheduler to appear using the HubSpot website editor. In the page editor, look to the left sidebar and click the plus icon to add a new module. Choose the Rich Text module, then drag and drop it into the exact spot on your layout where you want the scheduler to live. This gives you control over spacing and placement alongside your existing content. With the module in place, add or edit a clear title above the embed. Something like Book a Meeting helps visitors understand what they're seeing. Next, in the Rich Text toolbar, click Insert and then choose Embed. A window will open where you can paste code. Paste the embed code you copied from the meeting scheduler. Finally, click Insert to place the code into the Rich Text area. You should now see a preview of the scheduling widget directly in the editor. If it looks off-center or too close to other elements, you can adjust the module's placement by dragging it slightly or adding spacing around it using your theme's layout controls. The widget is responsive, so it will adapt on mobile automatically. If you don't see the Sales section or the Meetings tool in your account, check your user permissions or confirm that your subscription includes the Meetings feature. And that's it. You've copied the embed code from your chosen meeting and placed it on your HubSpot page using a rich text module with the Insert and Embed options. Your visitors can now book time right from your site.